Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure data with Teradata, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the data security needs specific to your organization. Identify the types of data stored within your Teradata environment. Determine the regulations and compliance requirements applicable to your industry. Implement user access controls by defining roles and permissions. Utilize Teradata's role-based security features to assign appropriate access levels. Employ strong password policies to ensure robust user authentication. Activate data encryption to protect sensitive information at rest and in transit. Use Teradata's built-in encryption capabilities, such as TDE or transparent data encryption. Ensure that all backups are also encrypted to safeguard data recovery processes. Conduct regular audits of user access and permissions to detect unauthorized changes. Implement monitoring tools to log and track data access and modifications. Establish a data classification scheme to identify critical and sensitive information. Apply data masking techniques for non-production environments to reduce exposure. Utilize Teradata's data protection features like DSA for enhanced security. Incorporate network security measures, including firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Regularly update Teradata software to patch any security vulnerabilities. Train all employees on data security best practices and company policies. Create an incident response plan to address potential data breaches. Periodically review and revise your security strategy to adapt to new threats. Execute regular penetration testing to identify and rectify security gaps. Stay informed about emerging security technologies and methods relevant to data protection. By following these steps, you can establish a robust data security framework within your Teradata environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.